Yeah, I'm using opaque grays. Um, it's actually these. These are from Industry Inks, and they're all whitewash set that they don't have available yet, but you can, if you ask for it, you can get it. Um, so it's like a opaque gray set that literally is a wash. I'm replying to people that are asking on YouTube. Yeah, and I'm Volhi. I don't know if that's correct how you say your name, but okay. I'm using the Acus M1 machine. This one is made in Germany by two guys that ended up leaving Cheyenne. They were the engineers for Cheyenne for a while. They were the guys that made the Cheyenne Pen, the Solnova, the Solnova Unlimited, and I'm also pretty sure that they made the new Cheyenne Unio as well. And they decided to start their own company. And I'm really, really liking the machine. It's really awesome. Just a pleasure to work with it. So I hear you. I had the Bishop Packer. I had all the Bishop machines and the power ones and the shader, the packer, the liner. Um, really nice machines, but with this machine, with the Acus, you get literally three different stroke sizes. You get a 3 millimeter stroke, which I'm actually using right now. You get a 3.7 and a 4.5. Plus, this machine has the ability to change modes within it. Um, Literally, you can adjust how hard or how soft it hits by changing the modes, which is um, which is a feature that nothing from Cheyenne really has besides the Solnova Unlimited, which um, has the Sensi drive and steady mode on it, and this machine just blows it away. This machine is like having three Bishop Power Wands, a Soul Nova Unlimited, and like the Injecta Flight X1 all-in-one machine. So it's pretty crazy. If you're in the UK, I I very, very highly recommend getting this machine for real. It's absolutely amazing the capabilities that it has and what you can do with it. And another thing I like about it is that you can completely take the machine apart and sterilize and autoclave the entire body, and even put it in the ultrasonic cleaner and then autoclave it from there. So just a lot of options that not a lot of other companies offer. Yeah, I hear you, man. You know, I hear you. Not having the money is definitely a problem. uh, but I mean, this machine will pay for itself, to be honest. Like a couple tattoos and you can get it. And if you can wait, I very highly recommend you waiting and getting it, because it's really worth having. Yeah, it's more than great, bro. it's it's literally my favorite machine, and I'm lucky enough to even have one, because they're not even shipping these to the United States right now. So, I gotta thank Acus for sending me one and letting me test it out, putting it through its paces, and of course I will have my final review on it. I'm not gonna jump in and be like, oh, I used the machine for one tattoo and it's fucking amazing, because I've done that too many times. I really want to test the machine for all types of tattooing, and then I can really tell you guys, like, yeah, this thing is awesome. But so far, I can definitely say that it's awesome so far. There's not really too many machines out there that can do what this thing does. Just being able to uh, switch modes on the machine so quickly, and have it run as where it would feel really nice and soft, and then just switch it to where it's hitting super hard is it's awesome. Yeah, I'd say skip the Packer, bro. I mean, you're gonna pay if you get a regular Packer and not like the Packer wand one that they have. You're still paying, like, with the newer model where the detachable RCA is. Let's say you don't get that power wand battery, or you just get a regular Packer. It's 650. So what's another $400 to save and get something that is just absolutely way better than a Bishop Packer, and having the advantage of being able to, um, use a machine that has already 3 different stroke options and 5 different levels of give, or even 6. So you've got M plus 2, M plus 1, M plus 2, M0. So M plus 1, M plus 2, M0, M minus 1, M minus 2, M minus 2. So that's six, literally six different levels of strength, from the softest to the absolute hardest. And like, you're not gonna find that with a Bishop Packer wand, unfortunately. You know, I mean, sure, don't get me wrong, like the Bishop rotary machines are great, and they absolutely do their job. You know, they're awesome. But to be able to, have a shorter stroke or a longer stroke and have the options of give, you'd have to buy all the Bishop machines to have that. Which I have. I have those machines, and literally, well, I had. I got rid of all of them because I don't need them. I find myself using this machine now continuously because it absolutely does everything I want to do in one single machine. I could take it out of the bag right now and swap my stroke cam out and continue tattooing if I wanted to. It's really easy. It will take you like literally, I don't know, like a few minutes to do that. But I'm finding that I really like working with the 3 millimeter stroke. It's been able to do everything for me so far. Line, which a lot of a lot of artists find that a super short stroke is difficult to line with. But I come from a tattooing background where I tattooed with coils. I started tattooing in 1993, 1994, and all my coil machines were all short stroke machines, and that's that's how I learned how to tattoo. And I've always loved a short stroke machine. And I remember when rotaries first surfaced on the market, and the craze was with the Stigma rotary machines and the Dragonflies. And I asked Ink Machines to make a short stroke machine because that's what I wanted, and they ended up making me a short stroke machine. They called it the Dragonfly Devilish Red Short Stroke. And I loved working with that machine. It was awesome. Uh, yeah, lining with the regular Solnova I guess can be a bit of a challenge. I'll recommend for you to turn the power up, uh, like a lot higher, not lower, and just float with it, on the skin. Let it uh, let it do its job by just letting the weight of the machine come in. You can try like that because that I felt is what worked for me with using the regular Solnova. I had to turn the voltage up, give the machine a lot more power, and then it was much easier to do lines. I think I was going to probably 12 volts with the Solnova when I was lining 80 CPS. No, it's not enough, bro. You need to go to at least 120, 140. You know, I'm assuming that you're using the Cheyenne power supply since you are working in cycles per second, which is okay. It's It's fine. This is too low. 90, 180 is good for shading. Go to at least 120, 130 for lining. You'll see that it's much easier to line like that. It's not enough power for the Solnova at 90, 100 to line, especially if you're using 9-round shader. The 5-round liner, you can get away with 90, 100. You have to push more into the skin a little bit. But if you go to 120, 130, you won't have to push. You can just pull the line easy. It will be easier for you like that. You can try it. See how it works for you. But I use the Solnova for some time, so this, for me, that's what worked. Have to go higher in voltage with that machine. Otherwise, it's not enough power when you're working. Also, it depends on, the skin of the person you're tattooing. So you have to be aware of that as well. So you don't damage the skin. The Solnova's direct drive is just boom, boom, boom. It doesn't have any options. You have to adjust your hand when you're working with it. So you need to adjust the pressure and speed of your hand by yourself. Other day I used. Oh, let me read what you said. Yes, Cheyenne, not. I'm fine with those settings. I just can't use bigger than 0.9. Maybe I just have a slow hand speed. I like using low voltage. I pack at 60 CPS and it turns out good. Well, packing is fine at low voltage, okay? But now if you are lining and it's not producing what you want, make the voltage higher, bro. Try it one time. It's not gonna hurt you. You know? I'm telling you, man. It won't hurt you to try, at least. To pack with low voltage is no problem, but you need more power when you're lining, if, because it's not gonna go in, bro. The other day, I was using the Acus M1 to tattoo, and I used uh, the 35 Magnum cartridge from Imala, and not one issue. This just worked like butter with this machine. So that also impressed me. And I was very impressed by it. Not many machines can push such a big needle without hesitation or anything. So yeah, that was very impressive. Yeah, try it for bigger groupings, especially if you're doing, like 9. Even if you have slow hand speed, uh, you can make the voltage go higher, and you can still keep the same hand speed. Just don't push as much in the skin, um, with the machine. Keep keep it flowing and go lighter. Just let the weight of the machine do the work for you. You will see that this will work a lot better for you. You should sell your Solnova and get this machine, bro. This is You will see that you can line with 100 round liner if they have it in cartridges with this machine, no problem. Put the 4.5 millimeter stroke in there and an M+2 power, shit. It can line through the wall if you need to. hard to get good angle when you're tattooing so you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying my best. Come like this. Yeah. Um, are you talking about to let it first heal and then how long to wait to come back to that? Or while you are doing the tattoo? Because if it's while you are doing the tattoo, you can come right away after bloodlines. And you say 20% gray wash, yeah, you can come with color immediately. But if you're going to let it heal, you must at least wait 3 weeks before you go back to the tattoo. At least, minimum. It must fully heal. And then you can come back and do all your color. But if you are doing the tattoo the same day and you bloodline, you can come right away with the color. You don't have to wait. So wait for it to heal in a second session. Wait at least 3 weeks. When the client come back, you look to see if it's fully healed. If you still see some scaling, like dry skin on the bloodlines, then you still need to wait another week. So 3 weeks to 1 month will be good, but no more than that. My client, he is in the sun a lot, so the skin is darker. So now he will start to use the SPF more.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take a break, guys. I don't know if I can pause the video. I don't know if you can pause YouTube videos.
Oh, I have no idea.
No, you can't. Understand. Save highlight, share, enable flash, mute microphone. Well, I guess we'll be back for round two, guys.